In this video, I'm going to show you how to end an existing meeting. Okay, so if you want to end a meeting that you are in, or you want to leave the meeting, you can do that also directly. So to do that, all you need to do is to come over here to the down, then click on this red button, and you are leaving the call. So once you click, you're out of the meeting. We can return to home screen, or you can rejoin the meeting if you're interested in rejoin it. So down here, you can specify the microphone, the speaker, as well as the camera you want to use. And once you set up everything to your test, even the background, you can play around with it. You can change your background over here. And if you are okay with what you have, you can always come over and say join now. And now you have rejoined the meeting. Okay. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.